All right, well, what we got here is a Wolfbox mini dash cam, and pretty excited about this. I've always wanted a in-car dash cam. It's very small, which is kind of cool. That's the size of it right there. And it's got this really cool magnetic mount that actually carries the power. So your power wire goes into the mount, and then that snaps into the camera. That's a powerful battery or a magnet right there. So, and it's got a viewer, which a lot of cameras don't, so you kind of know, you kind of have an idea what you're looking at. We played around with it a little bit in the house. What else? We read the instructions probably twice.
Yeah.
2-3 times. I'm still not sure where I want to put it. They kind of recommend it here, but I don't know. I really think I want it over here, because that's where I usually keep my camera. And it's got the usual 3M sticky back. And then we thought about getting maybe an extra mount so we could swap it around, but I don't know if we'll do that. But I don't know. We got to decide if we want to do it there. And then it's got a wire that has to go, obviously, for the power. And they give you quite a bit. So I don't really want that running straight down in front of the windshield. So for me, in the middle would be a lot of wiring messing around. Where that's why I kind of think in the corner. And then they actually give you a little plastic tool to pull at your trim and then hide the wire down inside the trim. And of course the end is actually a just a regular cigarette light plug. So the only place I really know the cigarette plug is one right there. And I guess the key symbol on the plug means that it starts with the key. I don't know if you can see down in there. So I'm assuming that means it turns on with the key. I meant to look that up on my. So it's gonna plug in there and then have to be wired around. Yeah, so I've got a little thinking to do on that. I think I kind of know what I want. And then it comes with an app. They actually get you to download an app that you can view everything through. I guess that would be Wi-Fi, right? It was Wi-Fi. So haven't really tried that because it's got to be plugged in. It does not have a battery. It's probably it does have a like bump detection. So somebody if there's a vibration on your vehicle, it'll record for about 15 seconds. So it doesn't really have a battery, but it has a way to store power for short bursts of recording, which is kind of cool if somebody bumps you in a parking lot. I think that's what's that for. But yeah, so we had to fool around with getting it plugged in the house, but it works. We saw it and everything. It's just got 3 buttons for your menus. The power button at the top.
Show the drive.
Yep. SD card, mini SD
card.
Yep.
Mini SD goes.
Takes up to 128 gig.
Right? Is
Yeah,
there one in there?
it's in there.
Okay.
I think it's in there. Getting it out might be interesting.
Yeah. All right.
It also came with, what's kind of cool is it also came with, we didn't realize, is a backup camera, which it says the backup camera is 1080p also. So the backup camera would be, of course, in the back, hooked to the back, and then they give you all this wire to plug into the actual camera. So you have backup camera ability and forward facing. It's kind of cool. It's really pretty complete. I don't know if we'll mess with the backup camera now. I've actually got one built into the Jeep, so.
I think the idea is too, if you're driving, you can record.
I
like
think
if
that's
somebody's
what
on your tail
I
or-
think.
yeah.
I think that would be a cool option. We're going to explore that. That might be a part 2 video, because I'm not sure if that's really how that works, or if you can split screen and record. Obviously, we hadn't used it yet and recorded. Well,
No, we got
a
company.
visitor.
Come on.
Technical advisor.
Now.
Yeah.
She wants to make sure everybody's working, I guess.
Don't worry about it. Yeah, and it's 4K. Are you still recording?
Yep.
Yeah, so 4K. That's really good. I believe it'll do 60 frames a minute. I might be wrong on that, but anyway, that's good. 4K's really sharp. So yeah. So I'll just have to decide where to install it, and I really think I want to do it right here. That way I can just run the cord down and around, which is going to be fun. But I don't really think I want to do it in the middle because that's gonna be an extra hiding of the cord. And then I do have, and with this Jeep, they have this sensor set up here, and that does your automatic wipers and then your headlight dimming and stuff. And I don't really want to get in the middle of that, so yeah, I think in the mirror. So I think what we're gonna do is put it in the corner. And then, like I said, it's just 3M tape. If I don't like it, we'll just take it back off, do something different. So
All right.
all right, let's see what happens here.